County in central Maryland, Howard County in central Maryland, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:39 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located over Montgomery Village, or over Gaithersburg, and moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Rockville, Gaithersburg, Germantown, Olney, Columbia, Damascus, Sykesville, Montgomery Village, Ellicott City, North Kensington, North Bethesda, Wheaton Glenmont, Rossmore, North Potomac, Redland, Aspen Hill, Colesville, South Kensington, and Garrett Park. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Storm and national flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, as the rest of this afternoon, numerous showers and scattered PM for the following county: Howard, Maryland. At